front of me is HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Biometrics and Password. Then choose Lock Screen Password and tap on OK in the pop-up. All you need to do now is click on Change Password Type and pick the best one for you. Then create it. So pick 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern or alphanumeric password. Create it, remember it and repeat it to confirm it. Then choose Done at the bottom right corner and wait. So when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!